Welcome to IT Learning, the place where everyone can learn the basics of the IT world. Ever wondered how networks stay secure? Today, we're diving into the world of Radius. Don't worry, I'm here to break it down in a way that even your grandma can understand. We'll explore what Radius is, why it's important, and how it works. Get ready to level up your tech knowledge. Let's get started. Radius stands for Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. Sounds complicated, right? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. Think of Radius as a security guard for your network. It checks if someone trying to connect is actually allowed in. Just like a guard needs to verify your ID, Radius makes sure users have the right credentials before granting access. This keeps your network safe from unauthorized users and potential threats. In today's digital world, network security is paramount. With hackers lurking around every corner, it's crucial to have robust security measures in place. That's where Radius comes in. By verifying user identities, Radius acts as a gatekeeper, preventing unauthorized access to your network. Imagine your network as your home. You wouldn't want just anyone walking in, would you? Radius ensures that only authorized individuals with the right credentials can enter. This protection is essential for businesses, organizations, and even individuals who want to keep their data and devices safe. Now, let's break down how Radius actually works. Radius is a protocol that provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting management for users who connect and use a network service. It's like a three-way handshake between you, the Radius server, and the network device. This handshake ensures that only authorized users can access the network, maintaining security and integrity. First, you want to connect to the network. You enter your username and password on your device. This is the initial step where you, as the user, request access to the network by providing your credentials. Then, the network device contacts the Radius server. It sends your credentials to the server for verification. This step is crucial as it involves the network device acting as an intermediary, ensuring that your credentials are securely transmitted to the Radius server. Finally, the Radius server checks its database. If the credentials match, it grants you access. If not, access denied. The server's database contains all the authorized user credentials, and it cross-references your input to determine if you should be allowed access. It's like ordering food at a restaurant. This analogy helps to simplify the process by comparing it to a more familiar scenario. You place your order credentials with the waiter, network device, who then relays it to the kitchen, Radius server. The waiter ensures that your order is correctly communicated to the kitchen, just like the network device ensures your credentials are correctly sent to the Radius server. The kitchen prepares your food, access, only if the order is correct. If the order is wrong, you won't get your meal, just like if your credentials are incorrect, you won't get access to the network. This ensures that only valid requests are fulfilled, maintaining the integrity and security of the network. Radius is a networking protocol that provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting management for users who connect and use a network service. It is used in various scenarios to enhance network security. One common use case is in Internet Service Providers or ISPs. ISPs rely on Radius to manage and control user access to their services. When you connect to the internet, your ISP uses Radius to authenticate your account and provide access. This process involves verifying your username and password against a database of authorized users. This ensures that only paying customers can use their network, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring that the service remains secure and reliable. Another example is in corporate networks. Companies use Radius to control access to their internal resources, ensuring that only authorized employees can access sensitive information. Employees need access to company resources, but security is crucial. Radius helps by verifying their credentials before granting access. Radius verifies their credentials before granting access to sensitive data and applications, ensuring that only those with the right permissions can access critical information. Think of Radius as a digital bouncer at a network party. It checks the guest list and ensures that only authorized individuals can enter, keeping the network secure and preventing unauthorized access. Now that we understand how Radius works, let's explore why it's so beneficial. Radius is a networking protocol that provides centralized authentication, authorization, and accounting management for users who connect and use a network service. Centralized authentication. Manage all user access from a single point, simplifying administration. This means that instead of having multiple authentication systems, you have one central system that handles everything, making it easier to manage and maintain. It's like having one master key for all your locks. Imagine the convenience of not having to carry around a bunch of keys for different doors. One key does it all. Enhanced security strong authentication mechanisms protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. With Radius, you can implement multi-factor authentication, ensuring that only authorized users gain access to your network. Radius is your network's bodyguard. Just like a security guard protects a building, Radius protects your network from intruders. Scalability. Handle a large number of users and devices efficiently, making it suitable for growing networks. As your organization grows, Radius can scale with you, ensuring that your network can handle the increased load without compromising performance. Radius can handle the crowd. Whether you have a small team or a large organization, Radius can manage the authentication needs of all your users seamlessly. Flexibility. Supports various authentication protocols and integrates with existing network infrastructure. This means that Radius can work with different types of devices and systems, making it a versatile solution for any network environment. It's adaptable to different environments. Whether you have a traditional office setup or a more complex network, Radius can be configured to meet your specific needs. By implementing Radius, organizations can strengthen their network security posture, streamline user management, and ensure the integrity of their valuable data. This not only protects your network but also enhances the overall efficiency and reliability of your IT infrastructure. You might be wondering, how does Radius affect me? Well, you interact with Radius every day, even if you don't realize it. When you connect to your home Wi-Fi, log into your online banking, or access a secure website, chances are Radius is working behind the scenes to keep you safe. Radius is like the silent guardian of the digital world, protecting our online experiences without us even knowing it. So next time you connect to a network, remember the role Radius plays in keeping your data secure. That's Radius in a nutshell. We've covered the basics, from its purpose to its benefits and use cases. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of this essential network security protocol. To continue learning new IT knowledge, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment about which topic you'd like a video on.